Good morning, students. As we are going through our chapter 4, a story from Persia, scene 1 is already completed. But before starting scene 2, again, I will explain you from the beginning. So, this is a drama in which there are characters, a narrator once who tells a story. There is King Mahmud, Firoz, Rahim, and Ayaz. Scene 1 take place in King Mahmud's court. The king is seated on his throne. Throne means a special chair used by king or queen to sit. There were three noblemen who are a part of king's court. Three noblemen were Ayaz, Firoz, and Rahim. They were standing in front of King Mahmud. So, narrator is telling here that King Mahmud was a wise and fair king. One day he wanted to test his nobleman. So, King Mahmud is a wise, intelligent, and a fair king, and one day he decided to take test of his nobleman. King asked the question, who is the greatest king that Persia has ever had? The person with the right answer will get 10 gold coins. So what did king ask? King Mahmud asked that who is the greatest king that Persia ever had, and the person who will give the correct answer will get 10 gold coins. So in this, Firoz replied that it is you, King Mahmud. You are the greatest king of Persia. Then Rahim also agreed that yes, Firoz is correct. You are the greatest king. But in that, Ayaz said that I will say the truth because I am an honest man. Persia has had braver and wiser king than you. So what did Ayaz say? That Persia already had braver and wiser king than you. King, in anger, do you mean to say that I am a bad king? So King Mahmud is saying that do you want to say that I am a bad king? Then Ayaz say, no, you are not the bravest or wisest king, but you are surely the most loved king of Persia. So you are the most lovable king of Persia. King, Ayaz, you are very honest. Take this 10 gold coins. So king said to Ayaz that you are a honest man and this 10 gold coin should be given to you. Ayaz accepted the bag of coins and thanks King Mahmud. Next, narrator is telling that Firoz and Rahim got jealous of Ayaz, and Firoz said to King Mahmud that Ayaz is not an honest man. Every night he enters the treasury. Treasury, a place in a castle or palace where valuable things are kept. Rahim, I have seen him too. So Rahim is also agreeing that yes, Ayaz is not an honest man and every night he steals gold coins from the chest. Chest, a large strong box usually made of wood used for storing things. King said that, is this the truth? I do not believe it. King Mahmud was not ready to believe this, that Ayaz can steal gold coins. Now we will start our scene 2. So, night time in the palace, the king is tiptoeing towards the treasury. Tiptoeing means to walk on your toes with the heel of your foot lifted off the ground and walking towards the treasury. Narrator, that night King Mahmud went to the treasury. He wanted to see if Ayaz truly was dishonest. So the narrator is telling that King Mahmud went to the treasury to find out the truth that Ayaz is truly a dishonest man. King, I will hide behind the wall and wait for Ayaz. After some time, there he is. So the king is hiding behind the wall and waiting for Ayaz. And after some time, he came there. Narrator, Ayaz walked into the treasury and opened a chest, but what did he take out? Not gold, but a ragged old coat. Ragged means torn old coat. Ayaz took off his own fine coat and wore the ragged one. Narrator tells here that Ayaz walked into the treasury and opened a chest, but he is not taking out the gold coin, but he took out a ragged old coat. Ayaz took off his own fine coat which he was wearing and wore that old and torn coat. King, stepping out from his hiding place, Ayaz, what are you doing? So king was hiding behind the wall and asked Ayaz, what are you doing? Ayaz, oh king, please pardon me, I did not see you. Ayaz is saying to King Mahmud, please pardon me, please forgive me, I did not see you. King, why are you wearing that dirty old coat? Then King Mahmud asked Ayaz that why are you wearing that dirty old coat? Ayaz, many years ago I was a poor man. You were kind to me and made me a noble man. Now I have many coats. However, I wear this coat every night so that I do not forget my past. So Ayaz is telling to King Mahmud that I was a very poor man and you were kind to me and made me a noble man. He became rich because the king made him a noble man. He remembers his past by wearing his old and ragged coat every night. Narrator, the king was surprised but very happy. So the narrator is telling here that the king was very surprised to listen this. King, you are truly an honest man, Ayaz. Ayaz wanted to remember his past so that he would not become arrogant. This helped him remember where and how he started his life and where he was now. So, King said that you are truly an honest man. This was a very good story of an honest man, Ayaz. Honesty is a very good quality and one should always be honest. So children, once again, you read this story by yourself. Thank you.